Most apps just don't get it. If you've been looking for a way to learn Vietnamese, you probably realize that most of the big apps don't have this language. And if you find an app that teaches Vietnamese, most of the time it looks like a boring textbook. But don't worry, today I'll show you the best app to learn Vietnamese. And I'll explain why it's the best app to get you speaking right from day one. The app I'm talking about is called Ling. You can check out the link in the description below to start your 7-day free trial with the app today. We've added timestamps for you here as well, so it's easier for you to quickly look through all of our key features. Now, let's start with the most critical part of learning a new language, the audio.
Xin chào.
Most apps use text-to-speech or TTS robots, which is cheaper for them, but bad for you because if you learn from a robot, you sound like one. But that's what sets Ling apart from other apps. Ling works closely with native speakers to create the courses and to record the audio for you. This is really good for all languages, but most especially tonal ones, because you're hearing real people speak in their real accents. It's the best way to get your ear tuned to the natural rhythm of the language from day one without having to go out and speak with a native speaker face to face. Ling doesn't just throw random vocabulary at you like other apps. Ling built their lessons around context. Understanding the what, when, where, and why are key parts to learning a new language. They design each lesson to match the real-world situation you need with the right amount of gamification to lead your learning journey. And the order of the lessons makes sense because the first sentences you learn are the ones that you'll get to use right away. Like ordering food, asking for directions, and calling for help in case of an emergency. But being completely honest, even if the lessons are amazing, staying motivated is really hard. That's why I really like Ling's banana points and streak features. These features help you to learn your language daily and progress better day by day. Every lesson you complete earns you banana points. And these aren't just for you to see, they push you up the global leaderboard so you can compete with other learners. Ling also has a daily streak counter, but they give you just the right amount of push every day to get you to open the app at least once a day. Even if it's just a 5-minute break from doom scrolling on social media. Just doom scrolling. Now, with all these features, will they actually teach you how to speak? Well, that's what Ling's Chatbot aims to do. It's an interactive conversation partner that simulates real life. You listen to the native speaker, you choose your answer, and it gives you instant feedback. This helps you put yourself in that situation before you actually talk to somebody. So when the time comes that you need to use the language, you're a lot more confident. It's the perfect way to practice conversation without the anxiety of talking to a stranger before you're ready. Finally, it makes sure you aren't just learning how to speak. Ling also includes writing lessons, allowing you to trace characters directly on your screen. Now that I've went through all of Ling's key features, I want to let you know that this app was built with cultural and linguistic respect. Your language matters, and with Ling, we can keep your language alive. Thank you so much for watching, and please give Ling a try if you want to master the accent and speak confidently. The premium version is paid, but if you want to give it a go before committing, you can click the link in the description below for a 7-day free trial. We hope you have a great language learning journey.